Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about the Bose QuietComfort Ultra touch controls not working. So these are the basic checks. So number 1, check your fingers. Make sure your fingers are dry and making firm, consistent contact with the touch control surface. Number 2, check your environment. Wet hair or wearing gloves can interfere the touch controls, so remove them if they are the cause. Number 3, check your Bluetooth range. Ensure your earbuds are within 33 feet or 10 meters of your connected device, as obstacles can reduce this range. If those don't work, then perform a reset. Place earbud in the case and both earbuds in the charging case. Connect the charging case to a power source and press and hold the button on the back of the case until the front light turns off. That's it. Thanks for watching.